Welcome to the RTO Superhero Podcast with me, Angela Connell-Richards, where we'll explore the complexities of compliance and how to ensure business success within your RTO. This podcast is for anyone within the training industry who wants to learn from my experience as an RTO consultant, RTO manager, trainer and assessor, and entrepreneur, as well as the experience of other experts in this field. Listen in and let us help you become the RTO superhero you want to be. Welcome to the RTO Superhero Podcast with me, Angela Connell-Richards. I am the owner and director of Vivacity RTO Coaching and Consulting, Vivacity Team, and Vivacity Solutions. These are all businesses that support RTOs around Australia. So I thought I'd share with you some things about Vivacity in this special episode of the RTO Superhero Podcast so you can learn more about what we do. So what do we do at Vivacity? At Vivacity, we know that managing compliance can be a challenge for RTOs. That's why we offer a range of coaching and consulting services tailored to help our clients achieve the balance between compliance and business success. Our team of experts have extensive experience in the education and training industry. We're dedicated to providing high-quality, personalised services that are tailored to the unique needs of each of our clients within the training industry. From one-on-one coaching to online courses, live webinars, and events, our services are designed to provide structured approach to achieving long-term success. We're not just compliance consultants. We're also business coaches who help our clients grow and expand their business with confidence. Our weekly mastermind helps clients stay accountable and on track to achieve their annual goals, while our annual strategic planning retreat helps RTOs develop a clear roadmap for achieving their long-term goals. At Vivacity, we understand the complex regulatory landscape that RTOs operate within, and we're committed to helping our clients navigate these requirements whilst also achieving their business objectives. We've worked with over 400 RTOs and international institute providers across Australia since 2009, and our compliance expertise spans a range of industries in both the private and public sectors. Whether our clients are looking to improve compliance, grow their business, or achieve a better work-life balance, Vivacity has the expertise and resources to help our clients to succeed. Here's a bit of a history of Vivacity. Vivacity has come a long way since its inception in 2009, which started as a one-woman show, being me, has now grown into a successful coaching and consulting firm with a team of highly skilled experts working tirelessly to help the industry sector within the registered training organisations. We are here to help you achieve the balance between compliance and business success. The team has grown with 9 members located in Australia and 14 in the Philippines, allowing for better services for our clients. In addition, we have over 70 members in our RTO Superhero membership who benefit from our tailored coaching services, one-on-one consulting, online courses, live webinars, and events. At Vivacity, we are always looking at ways to improve and expand on our services. And in 2022, we introduced the Entrepreneurial Operating System and created and launched the Vivacity Team, an administrative outsourcing service for RTOs. We also launched our first Moby magazine, a magazine you can access on your phone, and a printed magazine, providing our clients with valuable information and resources to help them succeed. In 2021, we also introduced a range of other services, such as the 8 critical drivers to RTO success and our first strategic planning retreat for our clients. This retreat allowed our clients to set goals and develop clear roadmaps for achieving them. The launch of our Critical Drivers to RTO Success Masterclass series further solidified our commitment to helping our clients grow and scale their businesses. The COVID-19 pandemic presented significant challenges, but Vivacity quickly adapted by launching our education and isolation training, teaching the vocational and training sector how to transition from face-to-face training to online training. We also launched our RTO Superhero podcast, initially called Education and Isolation, interviewing a range of business owners, including RTOs, on how they transitioned their business during COVID. We shut down our office and transitioned all of our live face-to-face events to online, and everyone moved to working from home. Despite these challenges, Vivacity continued to thrive, and in 2022, we completed our first New South Wales group training organisation audit, with our client achieving 100% compliance. At Vivacity, we are proud of our history and how far we have come. Our commitment to providing high-quality, personalised training services to our clients remains at the forefront of everything that we do. At Vivacity, we have a range of services, so I thought I'd share with you what our services are. Vivacity Coaching and Consulting is committed to delivering exceptional customer service to all its clients. The company understands that every client has unique needs and expectations and strives to provide customised solutions that meet those needs. One way that Vivacity manages customer expectations is by conducting a thorough needs assessment at the beginning of each engagement. This allows us to gain a clear understanding of the client's goals, challenges and preferences, and to develop a tailored approach that addresses these factors. Throughout the engagement, our team remains in close communication with the client, providing regular updates on progress and soliciting feedback to ensure that the client is satisfied with the services being provided. To monitor and measure customer expectation, Vivacity uses a variety of metrics and tools. These include the Net Promoter Score surveys, which are distributed at key points during the engagement and are used to gather feedback on the quality of the services being provided. Vivacity also tracks key performance indicators such as response times, issue resolution rates, and client retention rates to ensure that it is consistently meeting or exceeding its service level commitments. In addition to these formal monitoring measurement processes, our team places strong emphasis on building strong, personal relationships with our clients. This includes regular check-ins and informal conversations to gauge how the client is feeling about the engagement and address any issues or concerns that may arise. By maintaining open and transparent communication channels, we are able to quickly identify and address any potential issues before they become major problems. Overall, the level of customer service provided by Vivacity Coaching and Consulting is exceptional. The company's commitment to understanding and meeting the unique needs of each client, as well as its rigorous monitoring and measurement processes, ensure that every client receives high-quality, personalised service. By managing and monitoring customer expectations closely, our company is able to maintain strong long-term relationships with its clients, helping them to achieve their goals and thrive in their personal and professional lives. At Vivacity, we are committed to contributing to the community. So I'd like to share with you how we contribute to the community. We believe in giving back to the community and making a positive impact in the world. That's why we have partnered with B1G1 and UN Women to support important social causes that align with our values and mission. Through B1G1, which is Buy One, Give One, we have been able to provide vocational education in the Philippines and Australia for those who are not able to access quality education. By partnering with B1G1, we can make a direct and tangible impact on the lives of those in the need and contribute to the UN's Sustainable Development Goals. Additionally, I have personally been a passionate supporter of UN Women, a global organisation dedicated to promoting gender equality and empowering women and girls worldwide. In 2022, I undertook a 4-day trek around Cradle Mountain in Tasmania to raise funds for UN Women, raising over $3,000 in support for the organisation's important work. Through our partnership with UN Women and our ongoing support for B1G1, Vivacity RTO Coaching and Consulting is committed to making positive differences in the world. We recognise that we have a responsibility to use our platform and resources to help those in need, and we are proud to support these important causes. At Vivacity, we believe that everyone deserves access to quality education, and that promoting gender equality and empowering women and girls is essential for building a better future for all. Through our partnerships with B1G1 and UN Women, we are working to make this vision a reality, and we invite others to join us to make a positive impact in the world. Here are some of our success stories over the past 2 years. We've had significant growth and major innovation and success with what we've done in our organisation. We are proud to have achieved 35% increase in our annual turnover, which is testament to the hard work and dedication of our team. One of our biggest accomplishments has been our introduction of new and innovative business technologies. We have launched a new online portal for all our clients to access training resources, as well as new team management software to improve communication and efficiency across our team. These technological advances have allowed us to better serve our clients, streamline our operations, and remain at the forefront of the industry. We have also continued to expand our range of services and offerings. Over the past 2 years, we have released over 30 podcasts covering a wide range of topics related to RTO compliance and business success. We have also developed and launched over 30 new online courses, providing our clients with a flexible and convenient way to learn and improve their businesses. In addition, we have hosted on average 4 events every month, including webinars, workshops, and networking opportunities, all of which we have well been received by our clients and the wider industry. Another key factor in our success has been our growth in membership. We are proud to have grown our RTO Superhero membership to over 70 members, providing our clients with ongoing support, resources, and tools to help them achieve their goals. Our membership program has been a game changer in the industry, providing unique and valuable offerings that sets us apart from our competitors. Our commitment to excellence has been recognised by both our clients and the wider industry, with Vivacity Coaching and Consulting winning 10 awards in RTO consulting services over the past 2 years. We are very proud of these achievements and remain committed to delivering exceptional services and results to our clients. In addition to our awards, we have also been recognised by B1G1 as our contributions to charitable causes. Through our partnership with B1G1, we have provided vocational education in the Philippines and for Australians, for those that are unable to access quality education. This recognition is testament to our commitment to making a positive impact and giving back to our community. Our success has also been reflected in the feedback that we receive from our clients, with over 70 Google reviews, many of which praise the high level of service expertise, and results that we have achieved for our clients from our team. This positive feedback is testament to a commitment to delivering exceptional service and supporting our clients. In summary, over the last 2 years, we have been going through a big growth, including innovation and success for RTOs with Vivacity Coaching and Consulting. We have achieved significant increases in turnover and developed and launched new technologies, expanding our range of services, grown our membership, and received recognition from the industry for our commitment to excellence. We remain committed to delivering exceptional services and results to our clients and look forward to continuing and growing our success in the years to come. Thank you for listening to this special edition of our broadcast for the RTO Superhero Podcast. I'm Angela Connell-Richards, the owner and director of Vivacity RTO Coaching and Consulting, and I'm very proud to share this information with you about who we are at Vivacity, a bit of history, and what has been our achievements at Vivacity. Thank you for listening. Thank you for joining us at the RTO Superhero Podcast with me, Angela Connell-Richards. Please take a moment to rate and review the podcast on your preferred podcast app. Each rating and review helps me fulfill my goal of helping training organisations around Australia to learn and grow in compliance and business success.